Hi guys, I am back with another video, and today I am coming on with a wig. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it, but I actually purchased my first wig ever, and I don't really know what made me want to get a wig. I've never had a wig. Had a weave one time, like some tracks sewn in. Other than that, I've had braids several times with extensions, but I ain't never had a wig. I ain't never wanted a wig. And I think I'm kind of like not really wanting to do my hair right now. So I was like, okay, well, these headband wigs look really nice, and let's see if it'll work for me. It might be something that I like, it might be something that I hate, but I'm gonna try it. So I figured I would start small and get something super cheap, and you know, if I like it, then we'll step it up from there. So I found this, I think it's called Faeryle. I found it on Amazon. It's a body wave headband, blah blah blah. I will put the information below. But anywho, so it came with the hair. Hold on one sec. So it came with the hair, obviously, duh, and it came with 3 headbands. This one I don't like. This one no, I don't think I'll ever wear that. It came with this really pretty floral like headband, and this animal print headband here. I really like these headbands. I don't know about y'all, but I just like headbands in general. I love a headband. So I use the Arcani coil enthroned edges for my edges. I basically just washed my hair. I put my hair in 4 braids. I really didn't want to have a part, but I have a part because I washed my hair in 4 sections, and then when I was like trying to figure out how I could quickly put my hair in this little wig cap, I ended up with a part, whatever. So I washed my hair, deep condition, blah blah blah. So we're gonna see what happens here. It's my first wig. I'm so excited. My husband hates it, but it didn't come with instructions. Like, I feel like this should have came with instructions, because like I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I have no idea. Now, I watched a couple videos, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Okay, and yeah, it's got some combs in there. What am I supposed to do with the combs though? Like, how does this, do I need to watch a video first? And is my head gonna fit in here? Do the combs, do I need to use the combs? Like, is it necessary? Okay, so all right, I guess that's the back and the side, blah blah blah. All right, let's see here. Oh Lord. Okay, am I supposed to clip those things in there? Because I don't really know. Put this back here. Oh, I don't think they go like that. So okay, Was I supposed to clip the things? Like, is it gonna fall off my head like when I go outside if I don't clip them? Cause I don't know. Okay, so oh, this is cute. Oh, I got these headbands too. It came like in a pack of 6. I don't really know how much I paid for them, but I found those on Amazon too. But I figured it would be cute with this thing. That's kind of cute. Okay, yes, I see the potential if I do it right. Yeah, I don't want it that far up, but yeah, whatever. That's cute right there. Okay. And this is, I really like this one. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, this one is cute. Do I have the wig too far up? Cause I don't know. I feel like I do. Okay. Whew. I have it put down far. My head probably look lumpy in the back because I pretty much just stuffed my hair in that wig cap. And my intentions originally was to twist my hair down and then pin it so it would look alright like underneath, but that didn't happen. Ooh. So I paid like $30 for this thing. I feel like that was a good starter wig price. I guess it could have been a little cheaper. It's a little knot right here. Cause I might not like it and I would have, you know, wasted $30. But you know, it's whatever. Is that a good starter wig price? I feel like it's a good starter wig price. Cause I ain't never had a wig before. I like the fact that I can yank and pull on this hair and I won't have to worry about it later. Like, oh my gosh, I ripped my hair out. That's pretty cool. I like that. Okay. So I like it. Wait. Oh, I gotta tuck this thing. I got this little, the headband part sticking out. Put you in there. All right. This is cute. Okay, sis. I like this. Now I don't know what the back look like. I probably look crazy a little bit. Let me pull a little bit in front. A whole new gal. Okay. So I might spend a little more money on another one. Kind of like it a little bit. I'm about to go to Walmart. Wear my wig to Walmart. Because I ain't going nowhere else today. See this part right here? I got a braid right here and it's kind of lumpy. But you know, whatever. Anyway, guys, just wanted to come on here and show y'all my very first wig ever. I feel like I did something. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.